Let's learn how you can fix iCloud email not receiving mails. I will show this tutorial on iPhone 12, but you can follow up from any other iOS because method is same for every. But I will use iOS 18 in this tutorial. Now let us start by opening our settings first. When you did that, go to your Apple account and iCloud. Then you will have to click on this iCloud button with 5 gigabit option. Then you will have to click on mail and a new page will appear that's called iCloud mail. Just click use on this iPhone and make sure it's green. Then you will have to go back on the settings page, scroll down, find the apps, click on apps. You can search or find mail application manually. Click on it. Now it will open mail pages. Click on mail accounts. Now click on fetch new data and enable this push option to be green. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next